PicX Studio is an AI-powered visual creation platform that turns ideas into production-ready designs faster, simpler, and more consistent. Start with a large library of ready-to-use templates built for marketing, branding, and social content. Browse the collection, choose a template that fits your need, and click Use this template. From there, customize visuals, styles, and formats without starting from scratch. Want to create something new? Simply describe what you want, add a reference image if you have one, and define the mood or style. PicX Studio instantly generates high-resolution visuals, up to 2K or even 4K, giving you multiple outputs to review from. Explore the Discover section to see how real brands are using PicX Studio. You'll find shared chat links that reveal the exact prompts, references, creative directions behind public visuals. It's a practical way to learn workflows. For inspirations, head to mood boards. Browse by niche, campaign type, or visual style, and explore curated collections designed to spark ideas. Jump directly from inspiration into ready-to-use templates that already match the look, feel, and intent you want. From templates to prompts to pure ideas, PicX Studio helps you move from vision to visuals without friction because your vision is our precision.